Good morning everyone, this is Dr. D. Suresh Reddy, postgraduate in the Department of Community Medicine, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Today I am here in front of you to talk few words on World Immunization Day. Now, every year November 10th is celebrated as World Immunization Day. The significance of this day is to create awareness among people about the timely administration of vaccines against the vaccine preventable diseases. So the inoculation has been followed for many years. It was Edward Jenner who introduced the concept of immunology to the world. So he inoculated a 13-year-old boy with vaccinia virus and proved immunity to the smallpox. So the smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner in 1798. So immunization has been a proven tool for controlling and eradicating infectious diseases. According to WHO estimate, 2 to 3 million deaths can be averted every year through successful immunization, and globally as of now 20 million children are missing out on basic vaccines. The Alma Ata Declaration of 1978 has proved that immunization is an effective strategy for achievement of health for all by 2020. So the WHO has launched expanded program of immunization in 1974. Following the footsteps of WHO, the expanded program of immunization in India has been launched in 1978, covering all parts of the country against 6 vaccine preventable diseases, namely diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, childhood tuberculosis and measles. In 1985, it was renamed as Universal Immunization Program with much more extensive coverage beyond urban areas. So by 1992, it was included under Safe Childhood and Safe Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program. So by 1997, it came under the ambit of National Reproductive and Child Health Program. So by 2005, it came under National Rural Health Mission, and now currently it is under National Health Mission. The Government of India has designed Universal Immunization Program and introduced National Immunization Schedule. So now currently National Immunization Schedule is adapted in the country, and the immunization is a key component of primary health care. The key health worker in conducting immunization is multi-purpose health assistant with the help of ASHA worker and guided by medical officer of the primary health center. Under National Immunization Schedule, vaccines are given against childhood tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, Haemophilus influenza B, rotavirus, measles, rubella, Japanese encephalitis, pneumonia, along with supplementation of vitamin A solution to the children. So Universal Immunization Program is considered as one of the largest public health programs with a geographical spread in terms of vaccines covered, in terms of beneficiaries covered, so in terms of resources deployed. So the greatest success in the field of immunization through Universal Immunization Program is the eradication of polio and the elimination of maternal and neonatal tetanus by 2014. The global success stories include the eradication of smallpox thanks to the smallpox vaccine invented by Edward Jenner and the oral polio vaccine invented by Sabin. Immunization is one of the most cost-effective health investments, and the introduction of new vaccines to the National Immunization Schedule has been a major development India has made in the last decade. So the ongoing COVID pandemic, where we are very much frightened about the severity and intensity of the disease, can be efficiently controlled by the invention of vaccines. So various COVID vaccines are under trials, and we can expect COVID vaccines by the early next year, and the Government of India is planning to administer COVID vaccines to all the frontline workers, high-risk groups and general public in order. Just mere administration of vaccine doesn't work. It is only the timely administration of vaccine will help the individual to protect against the infectious diseases. Immunization is named as one of the 10 greatest public health achievements in the 20th century. Thank you.